Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build credit with a student card from Discover. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build credit with a Discover student card, start by applying for the card online. Ensure you meet the eligibility requirements, such as age and income. Once approved, activate your card immediately upon receiving it. Understand the terms and conditions, including interest rates and fees. Make small purchases each month to keep your account active. Set reminders to pay your bill on time each month. Pay your balance in full to avoid interest charges. Consider using AutoPay to ensure you never miss a payment. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30% of your limit. Monitor your credit score regularly using free tools. Review your monthly statements to track spending and payments. Limit applying for new credit cards while building your score. Avoid carrying a balance from month to month to maintain a healthy score. Stay informed about changes in your credit report and address any discrepancies. Utilize rewards or cashback features responsibly to enhance your experience. After several months of responsible use, your credit score should begin to improve. Always be aware of your spending habits and adjust as needed. Building credit takes time, so remain patient and consistent in your efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.